Hi guys, good morning. I actually look crazy. So today is an exciting day because I'm flying to Sydney. It's about 8:20 now. I'm going to get my hair washed and styled at 9, hence why it looks like this. I've just had a shower and everything, and then I fly out at 4, but I think I'm gonna leave to go to the airport around 1:30 just so I'm there a little bit early. I have this fear of missing my flight. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along. You'll be able to see what I get up to in Sydney and it'll be really fun. Okay guys, the lighting is shocking. I'm just about to leave. I've just made my green smoothie to take with me, and I will show you what I get done to my hair. Hey guys, so I'm back home now. As you can see, I've had my hair done. Don't look so crazy anymore. The lovely Ella and John at Jad Hair just washed and styled my hair, which it feels so much fresher, and it takes them no time. It would literally take me over 2 hours to do this myself and it wouldn't even look this good. So yeah, we're pretty happy with it. Now I have to go finish packing the rest of my stuff, and then I'm going to have something to eat, and then I'll do my makeup as well. So it's currently just after 10, and then I think I'm going to leave here at 1:30, as I said, to go to the airport. So I will show you guys what I end up packing with me. Okay, so I think I'm all packed. So on this side I've got my brushes in here. I've got skincare in this Caudalie bag, and then I've got all my makeup in here, a beauty blender. I won't do an in-depth of what's in here. I'm going to Bali soon though, so if you guys do want to see what I would take with me overseas and pack, I can do a pack with me video, but I just thought I'd just quickly show you in this vlog. And this side, obviously, we have bras, and then a couple outfits. So I'm only going for the night, so I have a dress that I'm wearing tonight, pajamas, and then also my outfit for tomorrow. I'm also taking, this is my makeup today. I'm also going to take 2 fragrances. So I'm going to be using the YSL Mon Paris tonight when we go for dinner, and then tomorrow tonight I'm going to be wearing the Nest Black Tulip fragrance. It's quite flirty and a little bit mysterious, so I'm going to take that with me. And then for tomorrow I'm going to wear the YSL Mon Paris. I really like this this fragrance, and I love how they have this little bow here too. The fragrance is very like a boss bitch fragrance basically, but it's still really feminine, and I really like it. So those will be coming with me. I actually found it really difficult to pack today because I'm only going for a night, so I'm not checking a bag. I may check it on the way back if I buy anything or whatever. So I was struggling because you can't take things that are over 100 mils. So I was struggling to find small sizes. I have so many mini sizes of things, but in terms of a cleansing oil, a cleansing balm, I love the Caudalie cleansing oil, but it's over 100 mils, so I can't take it in a carry-on bag. So this is the disaster that is left after I have scavenged through some of the minis. I always keep these little samples as well, just in case. They're really handy for traveling, or if you're just going away for a night and you don't want to take many products. Yeah, so now I think I'm going to take the footage off this camera that you're watching now and put it on the computer, just so I have a really clear SD card. I don't think it'll get full, but just in case. I'm going to get an Ola at 1:30, and I need to wash the dishes because Ben will come home tonight and he will probably be really tired from work, and I feel like he'll be really happy if I do that for him. I am charging my portable phone charger as well to take, and then I just need to pack my brush belt too. But that is pretty much everything done. I actually feel like I'm running on time for once in my life, which is good, because I feel when I'm going somewhere, especially if I have to get a flight or whatever, I feel overwhelmed if I have too much stuff to do. I need to pack my headphones too. So we'll just put those here so we don't forget. I downloaded some shows onto my phone off Netflix, so I have something to watch on the plane. We're flying with Jetstar, so it's just an hour and a half flight, so it's not even that long, but I just wanted to make sure I had some sort of entertainment on the plane. I could just stay here. So I downloaded the new, it's a new show. It's like Inside Bill Gates's Brain or something. I thought that would be really interesting to watch. I actually love watching like documentary series and things like that, so I'll let you know what my thoughts are without any spoilers, so you guys can see whether it's a good show to watch or not, in my opinion anyway. I will show you my outfit tonight, and we'll have a little bit of a vlog at the airport. I'm flying with another girl from Melbourne. I've never met her before. I'm sure she's super nice, so I am going to meet her at the airport, I think, and then we will head to our accommodation together when we get to Sydney. Okay guys, so I've just ordered my Ola. It's just after, it's like 1:40 now. I feel like I've got everything. My bag is like super full of junk. I always feel like I'm gonna forget something. I know like everyone feels that way, and I'm like, have I got everything? I have to make like little lists, which I have done, and I've checked off everything on my list. Now all that's left to do is go to the airport, so hopefully the Ola driver arrives here soon. It did say he was like 6 minutes away, so yeah, I will check in when we get to the airport. Hey guys, so we're at the airport now. I'm here with Ellen, and we just had something to eat. I'm having a coffee, and then we board in about 20 minutes. So there's a Mecca, you probably can't see, but there's a Mecca in the airport, which is really, really cool. I'm gonna go have a look in there and see what goodies they have. Victoria's Secret here is like pretty affordable as well. They have like really good deals on all of their panties. And there's also Krispy Kreme here that has really delicious donuts, which I try not to eat. Hi guys, so we've just arrived in Sydney. We are just in an Ola and we are heading to our accommodation now. The flight was really good. It was super quick, which is amazing. And I'm excited to see what the rest of the night holds, and excited to eat some food. So we are here at our accommodation. We actually have some wine from the chateau in Bordeaux, and it tastes amazing. It kind of tastes like a mild Pinot, and I'm living my best life right now. Okay guys, so we're at our dinner place right now. We're going to the potting shed at the grounds of Alexandria. We are jaywalking, so I'm trying not to get run over, but it looks so cute from the outside. I feel like the lighting is not doing it justice. It looks so cool. This is where we are going for dinner, the potting shed. It looks freaking magical. It's like I can smell smoke. Oh, that's so cute.
Please wait to be planted.
Oh my god.
So on brand. Yeah.
This sign though.
Yeah, true.
Oh my gosh, look at this. It's in a flower pot. I want that.
5 star.
Okay, I kind of want the parrot one. Okay guys, this is my drink. It's so cute.
And then you pull
I can't deal. This is really cool.
Yeah, the inside you like.
Look it out. So pretty. Like Ben, I found we're getting married. Kevin! Kevin! He's not happy. Kind of smells.
How cute! So cute.
Okay, so it's about 10:30 at night, so I have a mask on. I'm wearing the moisturizing face mask from Caudalie, and I'm getting ready to go to bed. I'm going to leave this on as a sleeping mask tonight to get my skin nice and plumped up for tomorrow. But that is all from me today. I am going to go to sleep and get some beauty rest for my big day tomorrow. I'll see you then. Good morning everyone. So today is Friday. We have our event with Caudalie today. So I'm just about to go do my makeup. I've just had a shower and used some of the beautiful Caudalie products on my skin. And I'm actually wearing their fragrance and it smells amazing. But we are leaving at 9 and it's currently 7:24. So I need to get snappy on my face. And then I think we have some time to get like a coffee and maybe something to eat before we actually start, which would be great. And we are so close to Sydney Harbour Bridge. I've never been to Sydney before, so I'm really excited. So when we have some time, we're going to go down and have like a little lunch down there. So I will show you guys what it looks like. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing my black pants and obviously my Caudalie shirt and then some black leather shoes. This is what my makeup is looking like today. I used the Anastasia foundation, so the video me reviewing it will already be up, but I love it. It wears really nicely. It looks really nice all day. I was wearing it yesterday as well. And then on my eyes I have the Tartelette Tease palette and the MAC Aladdin palette, and then in my brows I've got the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the 24-hour brow setter, and then on my lips I have the Caudalie lip balm, and I think it's in the shade Addiction. Yeah, the shade of this is called Addiction, but it's really nice because it smells like red cordial or like a raspberry cordial, and it feels really nice as well and adds a good amount of color. So I'm gonna have an apple and some food for breakfast, and then we'll be leaving in about half an hour. Hey guys, so we've finished our day in store now. We are heading to Circular Quay and we're in the Botanic Gardens. I'm really excited to go see the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and you can see like the top of the Sydney Opera House. Ah, it looks so exciting. There is the bridge. There is the bridge. There is the Sydney Opera House. You can see the bridge and the Opera House and the harbour. So pretty. Hey guys, so I'm back home now. So my flight was delayed about an hour. I didn't really vlog anything else in Sydney. So after the last thing you saw, which I think was maybe part of the picnic that we had, or it would have been just kind of around this harbour, but we had a picnic and they announced who is going to go to Paris and Bordeaux, and it was a very beautiful picnic. They had like really like nice plant-based cheeses. The company that made the platter is called Sexy Platters, I believe. I will link it down below. But it was amazing, so delicious. And I'm really excited because I'm going to France. I can't wait. I like literally can't believe it still. yeah, so Ben picked me up from the airport when I landed, and then just having a glass of wine now to relax and just celebrate a little bit. But that is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got up to in Sydney. I had such a fun time, and I definitely want to go back with Ben and explore the city some more. There's definitely like so much to do there, so many places to eat, so many places to drink. When I go to France next year, I will definitely be making vlogs of it. Like, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity, and I'm really actually excited that I have a giant boarding pass. Like, when else are you going to get one of those? So a huge thank you to Caudalie and to Sephora Australia for this amazing opportunity. I'm so grateful. All of the girls that participated were amazing and so nice. It was really lovely to meet them all, and we had such a great time. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel to see what other adventures I get up to. I'm going to Bali in October, so in about 3 weeks now actually, from when I'm filming this, so there will definitely be travel vlogs coming from that, so stay tuned for that. But for now, I'll say goodnight and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.